Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Here in this clip we are set out right on the NS Youngstown line outside of Andover, Ohio at CP Cherry on the NS Youngstown line. Here we have CSX D758 with two CM44AC rebuilds. We got the green signal at CP Cherry coming down the road, so we decided to get out and film, and the crew was pretty cool, giving us non-stop horn salutes. I hope you enjoy. The next day has come, and we find out CSX D758 is on his way again back north. D758 is also a Newcastle turn train from Newcastle to Ashtabula, Ohio. The train is a manifest containing scrap and other materials, but the pretty cool seeing this train go over this nice trestle here that I found as we were just walking along the tracks trying to find a good spot. So, gave us enough time to set up and film here at the two CM44ACs again at the helm, and I hope you guys enjoy. After we got word as D758 was coming back south from Ashtabula, it's about 9 o'clock at night. Most of the people are either sleeping or partying, as we're at a campground, so there was a lot of partying going on and everybody having a good time. But we went down to the tracks knowing that D758 was coming back south, and D758 was just coming down the line and just waking everybody up. And just, it was funny just seeing this train at night. And I don't do many night videos like this, so I think it came out pretty good for a phone video at night. But the sky in the background, as you can see, was very, very nice. I got a few pictures at the end if you guys want to stay and check them out. So enjoy.